La 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 huh? Well, the baby birds hatch. They are more powerful than the parents when they turn in a back to normal again from turning into a nice figure thin air.
No. We can't. Goodbye, Anna.
Elsa, wait.
No. I'm just trying to protect you.
You don't have to protect me. I'm not afraid. My heart. It's frozen. Oh my goodness. And it just freezed my heart and make my hair turn white like hers.
Elsa. Do we put you to jail for trying to battle us?
Yes. You and the guard sure did, Prince Hans.
Oh boy. We gotta take Anna to her frozen kingdom before it's too late.
Prince Hans? I don't feel so good. Whoa. What's happening to me? I think a blizzard is coming for it.
Yeah. Prince Hans. A blizzard's coming. And I'm not here. And you're not seeing me. Ugh.
Kristoff? Elsa? Olaf?
Prepare to see the god Elsa.
No.
Whoa.
When? Anna. Oh. Anna. No. Please? No.
Anna?
Oh my god. I think Anna turned into an ice figure.
Oh man, there must be something we can do to turn Anna back to normal again.
Oh really, like what?
Like a...
Whoa guys, look out. Well, that's typical. Our parents probably going to use their heat powers for the 80th time.
Ooh. You think they'll save people's lives, right?
Yes. They sure will, James. But look.
Wow. Oh my god.
Wow. It worked.
Anna.
Oh Elsa, take this Prince Hans. Finally.
But now I should just have to.
Hey Cassie. I know the baby birds hatched from their nest. But do you want to see my videotape of my childhood?
Well, maybe later, but remember when Ned Flanders is the nurse of praying and Benjamin's sister Isabella is the patient sleeping at a hospital.
Pray for my leg to get better and never get broken again. Yes. Pray for my healing leg to get well, if you please. Best dream ever.
Yes, Cassie, but...
Hey guys. What's up? And how was your parents doing? Oh my god. He's the voice of my new friend named Thomas.
What?
Well, Mother said she and my father watch Ladies and Gentlemen scenes. Right, Cassie?
Yes, Sarah, they sure are, but...
Oh my god. He's the voice of me.
Ladies and gentlemen, Eddie Murphy!
Oh my god, he's the voice of me.
Ladies and gentlemen, Adam Sandler!
Oh my god. He's the voice of my next new friend named Jasper.
What?
Oh my god, he's the voice of me.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tina Fey!
Oh my god, she's the voice of my sister Alyssa, right Alyssa?
Yes, Eric, she sure is, but...
Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh my god. He's the voice of my twin brother named Peter. What?
ladies and gentlemen, Matt Damon!
Oh my god. He's He's the voice of my third new friend named Finn.
What?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh my god. He's the voice of my fourth new friend named Lucas.
What?
ladies and gentlemen, Jim Thompson.
Oh my god. He's the voice of my fifth new friend named Carlos.
What?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Well, he is the voice of himself. But?
ladies and gentlemen, Clay Johnson.
Oh my god. He's the voice of my next new friend named Knox.
What?
Ladies and gentlemen, Jonah Hill. Ladies and gentlemen, Andy Sanders.
Oh my god. They are the voices of two more new friends names were Callum and Carson.
What?
Oh my god. She's the voice of me. Stella. The new girl of Imagine Schools and Willow's big sister. And how about you girls? Who are the voice of you guys?
We are voiced by Mindy Kaling, Amy Poehler, Tiffany Haddish, Amy Schumer, and Ellie Kemper. And our names were Amara, Alice, Iris, Lillian, and Maeve. And this little boy is
Prince Colt, voiced by Billy Crystal. But what can you say about meeting us a little girl named Cassie?
I say this is the best day ever in our life.